To install Microsoft Teams on your mobile device or tablet, it is quite easy. You go on your Play Store if you have an Android device, like it is in my case. If you have an iPhone, it is also possible you can download it from your App Store. Once in the Play Store, you write Microsoft Teams in the search bar above and install. And now it is fully installed. To access the app, you can open it from here or else find it on your device later. Now you have to select the account to use with the app. Obviously, as a student, you should use your iLearn account. You have to sign in, choose work or school, log in your iLearn account, and now you are logged in your Microsoft Teams app.